Hi everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. And let me just share screen with you guys. Yeah. So thank you for joining in. And today's webinar is live demo on how to quickly set up your own Shopify store, which is hosted and marketed by Nine E-commerce. My name is Jeet, and I'm working as a sales coordinator here. So now let me just give you the quick view of what Nine E-commerce is and what services we provide. Nine E-commerce is a leading e-commerce design and development company with both traditional and emerging e-store technologies. We provide best-in-class techno solutions to the modern businesses. Now, what services Nine E-commerce provides? Uh, we are complete. We can help you with a complete e-commerce store setup, uh, e-commerce stores migrations. That is from if you have a site in a big commerce or a Shopify, then we can help you to migrate your stores from Shopify to BigCommerce or WordPress to BigCommerce and etc. etc. Now we also help with a custom e-commerce website developments, open source e-commerce customizations, and B2B and B2C e-commerce solutions also. Uh, Nine e-commerce is also a proud partner with Shopify and BigCommerce, and we are also listed in their directories. And now let me just pass the uh, mm, uh, authority to Miss Hemakshi, who is our today's speaker and will discuss further in this topic with you guys. And also just let me inform you guys that you might come across with a few questions once we begin these sessions. So you can keep those questions till you with you all till we end this session, and afterwards we will answer your all the questions that you have. So, Amakshi, can you take this further?
Yeah, thank you, Jeet. Welcome, everyone. Thank you very much one more time to joining today's webinar. Today, we are going to talk about how to quickly set up on e-commerce store with the Shopify. I'm Hemakshi from Nine E-commerce, and let me quickly share my screen with you. Okay, Jeet, am I audible? Hello, hello, Jeet, am I audible?
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
And you are able to see my screen?
Yes, we are able to see your screen.
Okay, thank you, Jeet. Okay, let's start with the topic. Today we are, we will going to show, how you can set up a Shopify store by your own. A very basic and a very easy process. Let's start with the introduction of Shopify, right? Like it is no secret that we think Shopify is a great e-commerce platform. There is a reason why it tops our list. So it is used to be that setting up an e-commerce store took a lot of hours as well as a lot of know how. But today, however, that has changed, and setting up an online store only takes a few minutes with a few mouse clicks and a little typing. so you can set up your own online store on the web. And there is a reason why Shopify is such a popular platform. Perhaps the biggest reason lies in the fact that creating your first online store has never been easier. In this webinar, we will show we will show you how you can set up your own Shopify store online. Let's start with the first thing. What is Shopify, right? So let's discuss this first. Basically, Shopify is a software solution that that allows you to build an online store quickly and easily. And it has all the functionality you need to design or set up a store. It has a designing theme to set up a shop, display products online, track inventory, accept payments, calculate shipping as well as tax rates, and a lot more. So let's not waste the time on introduction. Let's start setting up online store. But before we start, this is very important for all of you to know that Shopify gives you 14 days free trial, because people are new, so they don't know how their store looks like, how the design works for them, which theme is suitable for them. So Shopify gives you 14 days free trial, so you can just plug and play around to check how your stores looks like. And okay, let me quickly explain this to you how this 14 days trial works. If you want to see how things work for yourself in Shopify store, sort of plug and play and upload to see how your store will look like. But limitation of this is that it will expire after 14 days, right? But if you need more time to add things to your store and make changes, we can help you by creating a store for you. Being a Shopify partner, if we open a store for you, you will get more access and it will not expire at all. You request to make as many as changes you want for any period of time without fear of getting it expired post 14 days, right? Jit, can you please share our link with the people so that they will get the access of more than 14 days?
Yes, I have shared with them in the
Yeah,
chat room, so
yeah. Thank you.
they
Thank
have
you,
the
Jit.
access. Yes, yes, okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's start with the set up online store. Okay, so what are the things needed before you stock up the products and all that things? Let me share with you first. Before you stock your Shopify store with products, you need to enter some information about yourself and your store. You need to decide on some basic standards for your product listing and customer transactions. Also, you need to set up your domain to make sure that your customers can find your store online. So let's start with the first stage. The first stage of setting up your Shopify store is easy. In order to start using Shopify, all you need to do is sign up. Sign up for an account here. Here you can sign up. Start. Click on start free trial. Then you can add some information, password, and let's say some store name, like, and click on create a store. Okay. Once you click on the create a store, that will redirect you to the tell us a little about yourself. So in this window, you need to fill up this information that Shopify asks you. Are you already selling, right? So just if you are not sure, then just choose I'm just playing around. What is your current revenue? Obviously, if you are new, then you can just start I'm just getting started. Then which industry will you be operating in, right? If you are sure about the industry, you can choose one of them. If you are not sure, you can choose other and just click next. Here you need to fill some basic information like your first name, last name, address, city, and country, region, state, pin code. These are your basic information for your store. And just click on enter my store. Once you enter in the store, you will redirect it to the Shopify's dashboard. This is the Shopify's dashboard. You can see left hand bar. Here are the all the menu, home, orders, products, customers, online store. Let's start with the customize the store. Let's start with the theme. Okay, from here you will be able to start customizing your store, adding up like free themes as well as paid themes. Choice is yours. So when it comes to the theme, Shopify has its own official theme store. Shopify also has an international theme design agency. They called them Shopify experts, and you can hire them to fully customize your store. And as we are as a nine e-commerce, we are being one of them. We are listed on Shopify's expert page. So if anybody need to just consult us, or you need any help, you can contact us, or you can visit our nine e-commerce website. Jeet, can you please paste our nine e-commerce URL over there for people to check and to find the theme. Okay, from here, let me start with the Shopify's theme store, right? Shopify. You can find a theme that your store needs. Go ahead and browse the theme store, themes.shopify.com, right? And you will find over 70 theme variations to choose from, including a good selection of free ones. So let's start from the themes. Yeah. Here, left hand side, you will find some filters. You can filter the themes like if you need free or paid or anyone, right? Then you can filter by industry, right? If you are sure about your products, like let's say electronics, then you can click on the electronics and you will find theme related to the electronics category. And features, you can also sort themes by price, popularity, and most recent. Okay, here are some more filter options are available for you. You just play around and you will find more options. From here you can choose popular or most recent, or if you want to filter by price like low to high or high to low, anything you want to choose, right? And just click on free. We are choosing popular. Just uncheck this. Okay. From here you can just view the demo of the theme, and you can check theme features, of course, that what default functionality theme is offering, right? So from here you will find all the information, even ratings and reviews are there, just to check like the theme is popular and what are the ratings people give. And okay, once you are done with your choosing the option, like okay, this is the theme you needed, then just start with this theme. Click on start with this theme, and this theme will show you here on your theme dashboard here, right? The majority of Shopify themes allow you to make simple changes that can massively change the appearance of your store. So you can rest assured knowing you won't end up with a website that looks like a clone of thousands of others. So that's not to worry. And the second button here, the customize button, it says if you click on it, you will be, let me click on the customize button, and you will be taken to a page that controls all the basic functionality of your store, right? Let's start with the here left hand panel, and this is a great time actually to have a through play with the settings and test out all the features, so you can find out what your site is capable of. The most common features will include this uploading logos, right? This is the most important. From the by clicking on header, you will find to attach logo from here, right? Let's select the logo. Okay, right. Okay, what will be the next? Uploading slides to a home page carousel. Okay, next would be from here. We will upload a store banner here with the help of this text heading. You can change the text of your banner from here. If you want some subtext, then you can write here. Right. And that's it. The basic things are set up. Okay, go back and just click on save. There are other options too. You can add some images, gallery images, uh, from here. You can just select image and add it to here, and you can control your collection pages and blogs, all that from the upper side of the drop down menu. And you can just play around, and you will get to know what are the things you want to add. And you just by clicking on the select option, you can just done with those selections. So here we set up also, you can choosing how many items appear on each line of the collection pages, color schemes, and font font choices from the here only, right? Also, you can set up some footer options. So if you want to add some social media icons or contact us page, then this footer option will help you by clicking on the quick links. You can add any of the social media links over here, and that's it. And some things will allow you to reposition elements on pages, such as showing product images on the left or right or center. It's your choice. I mean, how you want to uh, you know uh, okay, look around. Okay, so here the first stage is done. Like we have done with the theme selection and the basic options. So, okay, let's move to the step number next step, right? What is a store without product, right? So, navigating on this left, select products, and then you will be see a add button, like add product here, and you can add use the like using this screen. You can add as much details as needed about your products, especially look at those, let me show you how to add products. Okay, from here we can just add a product, let's say t-shirt, right? And here you can add description related to your products, like let's say um, blue colored t-shirt for vacation, anything you want to write, right? And you can show customers details about your product, like fabric, color. Let's say fabric is cotton and red, right? Okay, from here you will able to choose product images. Let's say one, right? And you can add two or three or more than 4 7 images here. So just select the variants and everything. The price, here you need to add price of your product, let's say 500, right? And here the box says compared price. The compared price means if you want to give customers some discount, then you can write original price over here, and then after discount this price will show. So customer will get to know, like with you are offering them a 50% of discount, right? Cost per item not needed. Charge tax on this product. If you want to charge the tax, then you can mark it as a check. SKU of your product, of course, quantity, available, inventory of your product, and then buy. Okay, here this is the search engine listing preview. From here, you can make your listing SEO free, and so people will find you on the Google also, and then save. Here SEO title, some description, and this is the product URL. Then save. Okay, the product is saved now, and if you want to add more products, then just go back and click on add product, and you will be able to add more products in it. Okay, so okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, we have already set up theme, added a product. Now what will be the next? Anyone can guess what will be the next? Please just write a message in the chat box if anyone knows what will be the next.
Payment.
Yeah, you are right somehow, but still, some things are left to enter. Anyone from the attendees? If you know little bit about Shopify, then please share your thoughts. Okay. Okay, let me explain this. Get okay. Before your site can go live, you need to add a few more details about your company and how you plan to make deliveries and pay tax. Right. So from here, you just view and update your store details from the general section here. Here just you need to enter your store name, then store contact email, and this is the email for the customers can contact you via this email. So make sure the store contact email and the customer support email you enter correctly, so customer can reach you when they need a help from your side. Again, from here you need to choose the category of your products, like if clothing or anything you would like to. Then legal name of your business, phone number, street address, and city and state, and all basic informations. Then time zone, and of course the store currency, right? So yeah, these are the basic setup you need to you must have to do before your site can go live. This is most important things. Then you click on save. Then just go back. After filling out this information, there are other more important things you need to set up, and go to checkout. From the checkout, here you can just play around and check that how you want to present your checkout to the customers, right? So choose if you want to prompt your customer to create an account when they check out. Here from here, like if anyone, obviously everybody has a experience to shop online. So you have already experienced that some websites offer you to log in and then check out, and some website offers you to check out without entering your you created your account or entering your information, right? So this is you can do choose your options from here. Like if you want to, customers will only be able to check out as a guest, right? Then click on this options. Accounts are optional. Okay, this is like optional. They can choose to, if they want to enter the information they can, if they want to check out as a guest then they can check out as a guest. And accounts are required. Then check if you want that the customers can log in into your website and then only check out, then you can choose these options that accounts are required. And then from here, customer contact, like choose which contact method your customers can use to check out and receive updates. You can you know play around and choose whatever you want to choose. Then here, the form options of your checkout page, like choose whether your checkout form requires extra information from your customer, like required only last name only, required only first and last name only, company name required or not, then address, shipping and phone number. It's totally up to you what you are choosing, right? And then from here, order processing, change how your store responds to checkout and order events. Just you can play around and you will find that automatically you want to fulfill your order automatically, or you want to fulfill your order manually, or you want to add some gift cards, or whatever you want to choose from here you can choose. Then email marketing and abandoned checkout, these are not required on the basic stage. So yeah, just click on save and go back, right? Okay, now the most important part, a payment gateway. And many of us uh, scared of which payment gateway to choose and how to choose. But okay, payment gateway always allows you to take payment from your customers via your website, which is very important. Obviously, if we have online store, and if we are not able to take payments from the customer, then there is uh, so to make sure your payment option is correct and according to your need, you need to look at the following two things when choosing the right payment gateway for you. First, you need to check transaction fees and then card types. Like what you know you need to know that types of cards are accepted by your chosen payment gateway. Like let's say some payment gateways will take the payment on their own servers via their own form. This means that the customer is taken away from your checkout and they pay on the form provided by your payment gateway. So you just need to make sure before choosing the payment that which is good for you. Also, the price and commission rate is important, but so check those two. And from here, from the settings and then payment page, you will able to set up payments from here, like PayPal. And if you want to choose other payment options, then you will be able to choose from here, right? There are many options you can choose from, right? Select one of them and you can configure. There is a manual payment methods too. So payments that are processed outside your online store, when customer makes a manual payment, you need to approve their order before fulfilling. So from here you can choose one of the option like bank deposit or money order, COD, uh, or of course you can, if you want to create some custom payment method, then you can choose from any of the option from here. And payment capture, okay, automatically and manually, right? There are two ways to capture the payment from the customer. Automatically will captured the payment from customer automatically. There is no need to give them permission to fetch the payment. But when you choose manually capture payment for the orders, then customer's payment method is authorized at the time of their order. So you will need to manually capture payment within the authorized period, right? So if you are going to choose this manual method, then make sure to know this authorization period before, because after this authorization period your payment will get expired. So yeah. Okay, let's move to the next important uh, option, which is shipping and delivery. Okay. Shopify will only calculate a shipping rate for your customers based on the rules that you define. So those rules you can define from go to shipping, then go to manage rates and define your rules here. From you can manage here, you can create a shipping zone you want to. Here are the countries listed out. Then you can edit a rate and set which add conditions and set the rules, like you want to set like more than some minimum weight you need to add some shipping, then you can add minimum weight and maximum weight. Also you can uh, do the minimum price and maximum price, and some standard method and shipping fee. If you don't want to offer any shipping fee, then you can, okay, if you don't want to add any shipping fee, then you can select just a free shipping option. So that will gives you to offer free shipping to your customers. And yeah, okay, and then done. So you whatever shipping options you have selected, just and finally once you confirmed everything is working, you need to now add the domain name, right? So just go back and set up your domain. Okay, after after you choose your template and design your website, and it's time to select a domain from here, left hand side, domain. This will ask you to whether you want to transfer a domain or register a new one. Like you can see the two options here, uh, top of this page, that transfer a domain and buy a new domain, right? Choose the domain you like and walk through the steps, make the purchase. If you want to buy new domain, then click on the buy new domain, and they will ask you, enter the domain you want to buy. And just it's like a wizard. Once you enter your domain name, they will ask you two or three questions, and then you are done. And if you choose transfer a domain, then if you already buy a domain from somewhere else, then you can add it here. Okay, remember, you can either purchase a domain from Shopify and have it added directly to your store, or you can buy your domain name elsewhere and add it into the Shopify. It's totally up to you, right? Yeah. If you want to buy from the Shopify, then you can click on buy new domain. If you already buy a domain from somewhere else, then you can just transfer a domain from here, right? And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should know how to fully working, online store. If you like more details on this, you can visit our Nine e-commerce website, or contact us anytime you have a question or query or anything, right? So yes, that's it. The store is ready. Okay, G, the store is, I'm done with from my end. Now, let's take a question. If anybody has a question, then.
Yes, so we can move ahead with the questions you have. You can
Ajit, can you
drop
please
down the
share your
questions. Sure.
screen? Yeah, thank you.
So a- anyone having the questions can just pop in the chat room, and we will definitely look for the questions you have.
Okay, someone is asking, Kiran Kumar, hi, you have a question like, apart from PayPal, any international payments accepted? Yes, there are many international payment options are there. Just by uh, just by entering your the basic information, you will get to know your more options for the international payment. Like, for example, apart from PayPal, there is a Stripe and to checkout, and many more payment options are there. I hope I touch your concern. How to get orders? Okay, obviously, once your customer put an order, you will find those orders from the left hand side of the you know order bar. Anyone
Hello.
else, Jeet?
Hello. How do we advertise or promote this on the Google so that we get more business, or promote on Facebook?
Yeah, we can promote on, thanks for asking these questions. What's your name?
I am Kishore Sampath here.
Yeah. Hi, Kishore. Thanks for asking. For the marketing purpose, and to promote on FB, we are doing some separate webinar. You will get all the informations from there. But to touch your query, you can go to the marketing section of the Shopify, and you will find some promote options, and you will also create some campaigns over there. So yeah.
On Shopify, is there any integration with Google Ads or Facebook Ads?
Ma'am, courier partner is your or we arrange?
Can you please drop your message in chat box, as I'm, not able to clearly audible. You are not that clearly audible. Please mute
Okay.
yourself from here and drop your question in the chat box. That would be, appreciated. Increase the visibility of the store. Of course, you can increase your by marketing, and doing some promotions, and running some campaigns you can make your store visible to the people. Jeet, other questions? Jeet?
Okay, others are.
I have a question. Shall I ask you now? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah, actually, what happened is I'm doing drop shipping from eBay to, I mean, Amazon to eBay. What happened is I using the PayPal settings. The PayPal is on, I mean, the status is showing as a denied from the customers. So that's why I got struggling while I doing drop shipping internationally. So if I
Okay.
create a new website in the Shopify, so how the payment gateway apart from PayPal? Because I don't want to trust PayPal because nowadays the PayPal, the customer service is very bad. As due to COVID,
Okay.
they're not even lifting the calls also. So that's why what I'm saying is, yeah, apart from any other PayPal, any other payment gateway supported for international in Shopify?
Yes, yes. Apart from payment, there are many international payment supporters are there. For example, to check out Stripe and many more. And if you are, facing any, particular issue, or you are stuck somewhere, you can even contact us after this webinar. We will, elaborate your, query, and will help you out there. We have a team who can help you with drop shipping and this payment options and everything, so you can
Yes, madam. Yeah,
drop
okay.
your email even if you want to more help. Then yeah,
Okay.
thank
See,
you.
how about this Pixel? Suppose if I want to promote a Shopify website in the Facebook ads, so the Pixel setup you have to do, right? Could you please demo about the FB Pixel setup in Shopify?
Okay, Jeet, can you please help me with the question? If is there any question we need to address?
Sure. Mm, we will
Okay,
sort
for
dispatch
promotion,
by.
and if anybody has a question regarding to marketing and promotion, we will do a separate webinar for that. And if you want to help with this promotion and store visibility, you can contact our marketing team. They will help you out with this. And
So here is the site where you people can reach out to us, or if you have any promotion issues or
yeah.
social media thing that you want to connect with us, then also we have a team of social media uh, handlings, and we will give
And
you the
yes, for
sort of
logistics,
packages.
people who wants to know regarding logistics, please, you can drop us an email, because our, concern team will address you on this with all the details. That would be, better to address you with all the details. So you can just drop us an email, or you just, Jit, can you please share our, contact us page, so that people will get to know where to call and our website and
Definitely.
everything. Yeah.
Sure.
And you guys can, follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you will get, latest updates regarding e-commerce. And
Just one more thing. As a partner of Shopify, what are the extra value-added services that e-commerce is offering? Nine e-commerce, your company.
yes, yes. Okay. Jeet, can you please,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
We can help you with the starting of your store. Let's say that free trial period that you people get. So by
Scratch to end
yes, yes, yes,
services,
yes,
like to
and
set up your store.
if we
Yeah.
help you to set up the basic store, then there will be no free trial period with you all, and you can play with your store for how many days or time you want, and once you are ready that you want to develop your store
Okay, and
further
after,
or anything, you can contact us for more details like that.
And what are the service charges you charge? Or you're just
Yeah.
helping and
yeah,
you're
yeah,
paid by e-commerce?
yeah, sure.
Yeah,
To know
we do
this,
charge with this. We do charge you for the basic setup of the store. So I will I will personally drop a message to you that what are the different charges we provide for these things.
And for Shopify, what are the charges for hosting beyond the free trial period? How much do they charge?
it depends. It depends on the plan you choose, right? Basic plan, advanced plan, or Shopify's, Shopify offers basic and advanced plan. So it depends on your choice, like what plan you are choosing. You can, find that from the Shopify's page, like Shopify plan. You will get all the details regarding the same. And if you have if you need some other help with this. Product searching and drop shipping and any other things, you can contact our sales team. Miss Ami will help you with this, and you can just drop an email or you can call her. She will give you all the information scratch to end with the price and plans and everything.
It is
uh,
very nice. How old is your company and where are you located from? Where are you operating from?
Jeet, I guess we have uh, we
Uh,
have Okay, message the service charges, please. Yeah, sure, Benak. You can, email, drop your email. We will send you an email to with the services and charges packages, right? That would be better. So just drop an email or we can contact you. Yeah, thanks everyone. Anyone who needs help with the charges and they want to know what services we are offering, what charges we are offering, you can just drop an email. That would be better. We are operating from India. Okay, anyone else? Let's wait for a few more minutes. If anybody has questions, we can address. Then we can wrap up. Jeet.
sure. Also, guys, can you please take out some time and mm,
Okay, let me share a nine e-commerce website link quickly. So that would be a great help for all of you.
okay, guys. So here I'm sending you all the feedback link of uh, how this session was and what things that you want us to improvise with, and something like that, so it will help us.
You have to touch GS3. Yes, Satish. In the Shopify, you will, in the text area, you will find all the options related to text. And this will be only done by after consulting your legal consultant. You can add GST and tax and all these things. Anyone else? Okay, Jeet, I think
Okay, guys, so once again, let me share our email address with you guys so you don't miss out to uh, reaching out to us. And you can drop us email or any sort of message that you have.
or
Also,
Jeet, can you please share your contact, contact us slide with the people so they
sure.
can note down our numbers.
Hello, Chit. Can you please explain the link about you share partner link about,
Yeah, that I already have.
and can you please explain what is the difference between your partner link and 14 days trial?
Yeah. Okay, so if you guys will so if you guys will go to basic store setup with this link that I shared. It will have no trial period. You can just set up your store and play with your store like more than 10 or 14 days they have set as the limitations. But if this link if you go with this link you can explore your store and setting up of the store with unlimited period of
Access.
time.
Hmm.
And once you are ready to move in further with the store, like the further mm, a sort of development and more responsive designs you want, then you can contact us with that and we will take your store to the further steps.
So
Thanks. It's
basically,
amazing. Thanks.
yeah, thanks, Mike. And basically, this link will help you to those people who needs more time to explore and who needs more time to, to just to play around and to check how my store is looking like, what types of product I want to add. So this is just because this happens with people that sometimes you are not sure that in 14 days, like I want to want this theme or this product. So this will help you to extend your free period trial, and just without scaring of that to this will getting expired, you can play around with unlimited access.
Okay, guys, you have any your previous webinar data or any link to we can easily see the your previous webinar and all details.
Yes, of course, we do have previous webinars link.
Yes, we do have that.
Yeah.
Let me share. Uh, Sorry on missing out that point that you can view our previous webinars uh, and check on different activities that we have performed. So here is our uh, YouTube channel where you find the different webinars.
Okay, so you will find our,
Okay,
previous
so
webinars with
yeah.
using this link, and of course, many more upcoming are there in the future.
And also we so now as you know that we can help you with the basic Shopify store, and we can also help you with the further customizations or designing part or any social media uh, operations you want. And also we can help your site with the based SEO you are willing to have. We have different part of teams in our organization who can assist you with the great knowledge they have. And so I hope we will receive your queries in short time, or your emails for where do we reach out to you guys.
Okay, so let's. Okay. Anybody has a more question, or let's wrap up, Jeet? I think no more questions here. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you guys for joining in. And any questions you have, you can leave us an email or call on that number that we shared with you guys.